You know it's going to hurt you. You reach for it anyway. The bag is half empty and your stomach already aches, but your hand keeps moving. There's a quieter voice somewhere in your head asking why, and the real answer is far stranger than a simple lack of willpower. Your craving is not a flaw. It's a feature. It was built for a world that no longer exists. For almost all of human history, food was scarce and unpredictable. Your ancestors never knew when the next meal would come. So your brain learned one simple rule. When you encounter energy, take it all. Sugar meant ripe fruit. Fat meant a rare, life-saving feast. Salt is a mineral your body cannot produce. These were not temptations. They were surviving. So your brain built a reward system around them, and that system runs on a chemical called dopamine. Here is where it gets strange. The neuroscientist Berridge spent decades studying that exact chemical, and he found something almost nobody expected. Dopamine does not make you enjoy food. It makes you want it. Wanting and liking, he discovered, are two completely separate systems inside your brain. Read that again. You can crave something you do not even like. That gap is the whole problem. The pleasure fades fast. The wanting does not. So you finish the bag, feel no real joy, and somehow reach for another one anyway. Now, here is the part that the food industry understands far better than you do. The psychologist Rozin studied why humans seek out sensations our bodies should reject. The burn of chili, the sting of sharp cheese, the sickly edge of too much sweetness. He called it benign masochism. Your body screams a warning, and your mind, knowing it is safe, leans in. You learn to love the very signals that once meant danger. Modern food is engineered around these principles. Salt, sugar, and fat rarely appear together in nature. A potato has none of the things that make a potato chip impossible to put down. But in a laboratory, those three are stacked into combinations your ancient brain was never designed to resist. There is even a name for the precise point where a food triggers maximum craving while never quite feeling like enough. They call it the Bliss Point. That phrase should disturb you. It was designed to, because the goal was never to satisfy you. A satisfied customer stops eating. The goal was to keep the wanting alive long after the liking had gone, and your body plays along. The more of these foods you eat, the more your reward system dulls. Studies on what scientists call the cafeteria diet show that animals given an endless supply of processed food do not just overeat. Their brains slowly begin to need more of it to feel the same spark. The bar keeps rising. The craving keeps climbing. You are running on a treadmill that speeds up every time you step onto it. So no, you are not weak. You are a creature shaped by famine, dropped into a world of endless abundance, carrying a brain that still believes this feast might be the last one. Every craving you feel is an ancient instinct firing in a place it was never meant to land. The hunger that kept your ancestors alive is the same hunger quietly working against you now. So the next time your hand drifts toward the thing you know will hurt you, pause. Don't shame yourself. To see it clearly, that pull is not a moral failure. It is a message from 100,000 years ago. Written by survival, delivered to a body that no longer needs it. You know it's going to hurt you, and now you finally know why you reach for it anyway.